I would like to extend to you all a very warm welcome again, and particularly to our stakeholders who are users of agriculture statistics. Your presence here this morning served to remind us the importance of our role as the main reporting agency for agriculture statistics. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take this opportunity to remind us again on the importance of our role as producer of agricultural statistics in Fiji's statistical system. Therefore, there is an urgent need for us to continuously collaborate, not as an individual player in the system, but as a team, focusing on achieving that same goal of disseminating timely and quality information. Fiji's agriculture sector, as you all know and understand, plays an important role in the economy of the country in terms of food security, employment creation, increasing foreign exchange earnings, and contribution to the annual gross domestic products. However, policy making and strategic management of the industry suffers from a lack of access to reliable production and market volume data. The current government recognizes the need for more consistent and quality data and has placed highest priority towards the improvement of data collection and dissemination processes to address the urgent need of a regular flow of consistent agricultural information for planners, policy, and decision makers. Fiji's agriculture statistics system has had little development since the last agriculture census in 2009. And you will agree with me that as of today we still have some rooms for further improvement. In 2014, Fiji was selected by the Global Strategy Initiative to improve agriculture and rural statistics and has had a preliminary assessment report released in 2015 highlighting the status of the current agriculture statistics systems and confirms the need for development. That is in the Fiji IDCA report of 2015, which I believe was presented in Bangkok in that year. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I have always had a very strong enthusiasm for statistics, constantly highlighting the need to improve our statistical system. Towards the end of 2015 and 2016, the ministry had instituted an agriculture baseline survey to collect some core information on production and to form a listing frame for subsequent data collections. However, funding and capacity for the survey does not cover the development of a robust systems for the regular collection and dissemination of production of market volume information. I acknowledge and once again commend the efforts of the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, which aims to significantly increase the availability and quality of agriculture and rural statistics that is produced by a sustainable agriculture statistical system with appropriate institutional, human, and financial capacity. The technical cooperation program with FAO provides support to the government of Fiji's initiatives to assist technical and methodological elements and capacity building in line with the global strategy, where the project hoped to deliver in the following areas. One, a set of agriculture baseline data that is disseminated and improved capability to agriculture statistics in policy. Two is a new sampling frame to ensure methodological soundness of all future agricultural surveys. And three is an evaluation and redesign of the production survey to provide a regular source of reliable production data. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, let me remind us again of the urgent need to improve our statistical system, whereby we need to make advantage of technical assistance offered by FAO and its partners, which ensure the establishment of a vibrant monitoring system for reporting SDGs and a very strong statistical system that collects quality and timely critical data. For the last 3 years, we have been actively participating in these technical cooperation programs and hope to continue as we prepare for Fiji's upcoming 2019 agriculture census. During the workshop, you will be shown the results of the CAP trial that was conducted in Natal City Province. The interview process uses the World Bank software survey solution as the platform to capture and process data. This process is in the right direction for us in our attempt to improve our agriculture and rural statistics systems, and I encourage you to further collaborate and ensure that you finalize and confirm the best way forward to our future surveys. And I would, at this juncture, I'd like to once again acknowledge FAO for the provision of the tablets, and of course the National Bureau of Statistics for giving us the additional equipment that we needed, that has enabled the survey in Natal City to be conducted efficiently. The World Programme for Census of Agriculture 2020 provides a guideline for agriculture census during the 2016 to 2025 period. And this program proposes a new approach to establish a system of integrated surveys and cost-effective ways of data collection. I hope that your plan for the 2019 agriculture census will be centered around this new approach, which should improve collection of data on crops and livestock and enable the establishment of a sustainable agriculture statistics system. From the anticipated output of the workshop to significant areas that I urged you to carefully deliberate on is the improvement of our data collection methodology and an appropriate output system that should enable timely dissemination of quality agriculture information for policy. I wish you well in your deliberation over the next 3 days, and it is my hope that you will be able to chart a practical way forward in achieving the objectives of the workshop that will ensure a sustainable and quality agricultural statistics systems. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, with that I would now, with great pleasure, take this opportunity to declare the statistics workshop open. Thank you, Dhanabad and Vinawadu.